To replace your washer's basket drive hub, you will first need to remove the agitator or the wash impeller, depending on your model. If your washer uses an agitator, first remove the fabric softener dispenser and lint cap, if applicable. Then use a 7/16" socket with a 12-inch extension to loosen the mounting bolt. With the bolt loosened, pull the agitator up and out. If your model uses a wash plate, use a small flathead screwdriver to pry off the impeller cap. Now use the 7/16" socket to remove the bolt securing the impeller, and lift the impeller out. Your next step is to remove the screws securing the driven hub. Pull the hub off the drive shaft, along with the driver hub. You're now ready to install the new basket drive hub kit. Position the new driver hub by sliding it onto the drive shaft. Since the kit includes two different driven hubs, choose the one applicable to your model and slide it over the driver hub. Secure the hub with the screws. If applicable to your model, replace the agitator onto the drive shaft and secure the mounting bolt. Replace the lint cap if necessary and the fabric softener dispenser. If your model uses a wash plate, slide the impeller onto the drive shaft. Secure it with the bolt. And replace the impeller cap. With the new basket drive hub installed, make sure all tub components are functioning properly during the wash cycle.